For understanding of dihybrid cross, it's this I'm explaining you the example given on page number 32. ठीक है, they have taken two kinds of plant, one with capital R, capital R, capital Y seeds. मतलब seed color is not color, they have taken shape that is round and color is yellow and wrinkled green seeds of P. When parents were crossed for these two characters, okay, then two kinds of gametes are formed. From this side we will get small r small y and capital R capital Y. See, this is dihybrid cross. That's why when we are writing genotype we have to take four alleles represented by four letters. Capital letter representing dominant allele, small letters representing the recessive allele. Okay, so capital R capital Y representing gamete coming from this parent and small r small y representing the gamete coming from this parent. Now when fusion will occur, we will get F1 hybrid plant and the seed kind. When this plant will bear flowers and seeds will be formed, we will have round yellow seeds, but their genotype will be capital R small r, because one is coming from here also. Fusion takes place, then all these alleles come together, we get the same genetic constitution. Same genetic constitution matlab we will have, because it is dihybrid cross, so four alleles are used to represent the genotype. Okay, dihybrid. Diploid number we have to see. This is showing a haploid number of gametes, this is showing diploid again, this is again diploid. So these are this is the genetic constitution of F1 hybrid plant I have written here. Then they will produce four kinds of gametes: capital R capital Y, capital R small y, small r capital Y, small r small y, for F2, for getting F2. Now we will write these cells here. Gametes: capital R capital Y, capital R small y. One side we will write male, one side we will write female, and both we have to write, we have to make, this is called Punnett square, and this is very necessary, especially for dihybrid cross. We cannot conclude the result without making this. So one practice is required, although in exam they are asking mostly monohybrid cross, but dihybrid cross is also equally important, they can ask any. Okay, so we will write both in the same sequence, horizontally as well as vertically. I have explained you this earlier also when we were doing the lesson, but I felt like that because many times I've even in spite of explaining many times, children are not able to get it, that dihybrid cross we have to write four letters representing four alleles, diploid condition. So now these two together we will write here, and remember, alleles of one character will come together. Capital R capital Y small y, capital R small r, one small r coming from here, and capital Y, capital R small r, capital Y small y. This is genotypic features we know, and phenotype we can conclude, because capital R both are present, both dominant are present, so all will be round yellow. Okay, now come to next, capital R capital Y small y, this is also round yellow. Capital R but small y, this is a round green plant. Capital R small r, capital Y small y, this is again round yellow. Capital R small y, this is round green, yes. Okay, then this one also you have to means we have to keep on making it like this only. Then again capital R, capital Y, small y, taking from this, okay, small r, capital Y, and this is wrinkled yellow, and small r, capital Y, small y, wrinkled but color will be yellow because dominant feature cane. Wrinkled yellow, round yellow, round yellow, round yellow, round green. Recessive allele, both are recessive. This is also round green. Now this way we have to take from here. When you will calculate this ratio, these are total 16 plants, 4 4s are 16, and the ratio, genotypic ratio is very complex in F2 generation of dihybrid cross that we cannot find out, but phenotypic ratio is 9 ratio 3 ratio 3 ratio 1. 9 are round yellow plants, round but green, wrinkled yellow, and wrinkled as well as green plant. So this will be the ratio that given in the book also. ठीक है, I just tried to explain it to you. If you have still any doubt, you may message me.